really sweet 2014 Passat TDI. So this is a diesel car. If anybody remembers Dieselgate, this would be one of the last model years, if not the last model year before that happened. This thing looks very European, black on black. Nice tires, alloy wheels, little bit of corrosion right here that can be taken care of easily if one so chooses. Leatherette seats with suede inserts. This car has the uprated Fender sound system. And just a nice full-size luxury car. Nice big trunk. And as you can see, it's quite clean all the way around. Looks like that little ding on the other rocker is the only real body stuff that I can see. So if you're looking for a powerful, because you get the diesel, turbo diesel torque, highway cruiser that is stylish, has a sunroof and all the kind of amenities that one would expect from a premium vehicle, this is a great one to consider. So we're driving today this fantastic 2014 Passat TDI diesel, 154,000 miles. This thing feels exactly as a German luxury sports sedan should. Steering feels great. You've got that diesel torque. And the fantastic fuel mileage. Very smooth driving car, but you can tell that it just handles great. So if you're looking for a luxury highway cruiser that won't break the bank, this is a fantastic one to consider. This has heated seats, sunroof, and just a nice car. Thanks for looking. Remember to like and subscribe so you can see all the amazing things we have coming up. Cars, motorcycles, boats, RVs, etc., etc. Thanks for looking, happy bidding, and you have a great rest of your day. '14 Passat TDI. It's looking nice and clean under here. No real corrosion. Rockers look good. Yeah, this thing looks really great. Somebody took care of it.